deny undying. Our first reading is Genesis 41. So Pharaoh sent for Joseph, and he was with the Lord from the dungeon, when he had shaped and shared his clothes. He came before Pharaoh. I believe this story is when the two people, they were at war, I believe, and then Joseph was inside the cave, inside the dungeon, and they were trying to attack him early on. However, Joseph learned that Pharaoh was wicked, and now he has the advantage against Pharaoh. While teaching, vision ignites undying hope. Our vision ignites undying hope even as the situation can be looked bad. If we look at the other side, we can have this hope that we can make through it. Vision requires excellence. Having a great vision requires an excellence and wisdom for us to move forward and to keep things running. Vision becomes reality in July. So our vision will become reality if we keep on pursuing our vision and keep on hoping to achieve it. For our application, develop resilience and stay. Persevering, being resilient, and have the ability to still have hope and keep on going even though things that we might have experienced can be blissful, but we must always keep in our mind that our vision will become our future, and we don't want to lose our future for some challenges in life to remain excellent having vision. We should always have, or we should have excellence in favor. Doesn't mean that having vision we must focus on that vision, but as well as those aspects within it. Being excellent because we're doing it for the Lord, and also for being good for the Lord. Vision doesn't require us to focus on it and neglect other things that are more important in it. Think, trust the grace as a very good God. Just trust the grace of God that He will bless us, that He will help us. So pray the of God above all, because He is our God. He is a mighty God.